Arbitration Procedural Rules of the Ho Chi Minh City Commercial Arbitration Center, TRACENT, your toolkit for resolving commercial disputes. Welcome to an in-depth video on the Arbitration Procedural Rules of the Ho Chi Minh City Commercial Arbitration Center, TRACENT, a game-changing tool for modern businesses. Have you ever felt exhausted by prolonged, complex, and costly commercial disputes? Imagine a solution that resolves everything quickly, confidentially, and effectively. In just a few minutes, you'll discover how TRACENT turns challenges into opportunities. Don't miss out. We'll break down every aspect of the arbitration process across 40 provisions, from the arbitration agreement and initiation to the award and its enforcement. Built on the 2010 arbitration law and backed by the New York Convention, TRACENT offers a fast 6 to 12 months, confidential, and highly efficient alternative to courts, 18 months. This clip includes 10 segments, each minute covering a key topic, empowering you, businesses, lawyers, legal professionals, to master commercial arbitration. Watch now to explore. Have you ever heard of commercial arbitration, the alternative to courts for business disputes? Let's dive into an overview of the Arbitration Procedural Rules of the Ho Chi Minh City Commercial Arbitration Center, TRACENT, issued by the Ho Chi Minh City Commercial Arbitration Center. With 40 rigorous provisions, this is your compass for resolving disputes, from domestic issues, ship leasing, payments, to international matters, exports, joint ventures, swiftly, confidentially, and fairly. What's the scope of application? Article 1. These rules apply when parties agree to choose TRACENT or its rules to settle disputes, unless otherwise agreed. This aligns with the 2010 arbitration law, Article 16, emphasizing the voluntary role of the parties. For example, a Vietnamese coffee exporter selects TRACENT to handle a $10 dispute with a Brazilian partner. That's when TRACENT unleashes its power. Key features: speed, 6 to 12 months versus 18 months in court. Confidentiality, closed hearings, Article 30. Flexibility, online, expedited procedures, Article 39. And international enforcement support via the New York Convention. This isn't just a legal framework, it's a strategic tool to protect your business interests and reputation. Let's explore each step further. Where does every TRACENT process begin? The answer is the arbitration agreement, considered the legal key defining jurisdiction, Articles 1 and 3. We'll clarify how to draft it and its significance. Per Article 14, the agreement must be in writing, contract email, clearly stating the intent to choose TRACENT, e.g., disputes shall be resolved at TRACENT under Vietnamese law. If vague, e.g., resolved appropriately, the tribunal loses jurisdiction and the case goes to court, a major risk. TRACENT also allows consolidating disputes from multiple contracts, Article 7, or cases, Article 8, boosting efficiency. For instance, a domestic ship leasing company combined 3 contract disputes into one case at TRACENT, saving 50% of the time. Independence, separability is safeguarded. Article 23. An invalid contract doesn't affect the arbitration agreement. This is a strength over courts, giving businesses peace of mind. Draft your agreement clearly. It shapes the journey ahead. After the agreement, what's next to get started? We'll analyze initiating proceedings at TRACENT, Articles 10, 14, 15. The statement of claim is the first step, submitted to TRACENT with details. Parties, dispute, demands, arbitrator selection. Article 14. Proceedings begin when TRACENT receives the claim, Article 10, and within 7 days, the respondent is notified, Article 15. You must pay an advance fee, Article 37, or the claim is deemed withdrawn. For example, a business filed a $10 million export dispute claim and TRACENT processed it in just 2 weeks to move forward. The statute of limitations is 2 years, 2010 Arbitration Law, Article 33, but TRACENT demands efficiency and transparency. This is an edge over courts, a clean, streamlined start without cumbersome procedures. Who resolves your dispute? Let's explore the formation of the Arbitration Tribunal. Articles 9, 18, 19. TRACENT allows choosing 1 or 3 arbitrators. Article 9. The claimant selects or authorizes TRACENT to appoint within 7 days. Article 18.1. The respondent replies within 30 days. Article 18.2. Or TRACENT's chairman appoints. The tribunal chair is elected by the 2 arbitrators within 7 days, or decided by TRACENT. Article 18.3. For a sole arbitrator, parties agree within 30 days. Article 19. Standards. Independence and impartiality. Article 21. With replacements for violations. Article 22. Example. A Vietnam-China joint venture dispute formed a 3-arbitrator tribunal in 44 days, a month faster than courts. TRACENT ensures fairness and professionalism from this point. What do you need before the hearing? We'll dive into procedural preparation. Articles 16, 17, 25. The Statement of Defense. Article 16. The respondent replies within 30 days, extendable by 30 days, raising defenses, and selecting an arbitrator. Counterclaim. Article 17. The respondent can countersue, submitted with the defense, and the claimant responds within 30 days. Evidence. Article 25. Parties provide materials, contracts, emails, with tribunal support for appraisals or expert consultation. Example. In a payment dispute, the respondent submitted invoices, and the tribunal ordered an appraisal, resolved in 2 months. TRACENT's flexibility prepares you for the hearing. What's the pinnacle of the process? We'll analyze the dispute resolution hearing. Articles 30 and 32. The tribunal sets the time/place, notifying parties 15 days in advance. Article 30. Confidentiality is key. Closed hearings, with penalties for breaches. Flexible formats, in-person or online. Teleconference. Postponement. Article 31. Requests made 7 days prior, or tribunal decides if new issues arise. Absence. Article 32. Claimant's absence withdraws the claim. Respondent's absence allows continuation based on files. Example. A ship leasing dispute was resolved privately in 2 days, safeguarding business secrets. TRACENT is faster, more discreet, and fairer than courts. What's the outcome? We'll examine TRACENT's arbitral award. Articles 33 to 35. Principle. Majority vote, 3 arbitrators, or chair's decision. Article 33. Award. Issued within 30 days of the final hearing, detailing dispute, findings, outcome, and fees. Article 34. Corrections. Within 30 days, parties can request fixes or supplements. Article 35. Effect. Final and binding immediately. Example. A 2-embedded compensation award in 8 months, 10 months faster than courts. TRACENT ensures clear, transparent results. How is the award enforced? We'll explore enforcement and suspension. Article 29. Enforcement domestically via civil enforcement agencies, internationally via the New York Convention. Suspension, withdrawal, individual death without succession, or entity dissolution. Article 29. Example. An export award enforced in Brazil in 3 months. Superior efficiency. TRACENT bridges local and global enforcement, protecting your rights. What makes TRACENT special? We'll uncover emergency measures. Article 27, and expedited procedures. Article 39. Emergency measures. Tribunal prohibits asset changes, seizes assets, or demands financial security. Instant protection. Expedited. 1. Arbitrator online, file-based. Time-saving for small disputes. Example. A business requested asset seizure in 1 week. TRACENT delivered swiftly. This is its unique edge. In summary, the Arbitration Procedural Rules of TRACENT provide a robust framework for resolving commercial disputes, meeting the needs of businesses, lawyers, and legal experts. With a swift process, commitment to confidentiality, and a clear enforcement path, TRACENT stands out as a cutting-edge arbitration solution. As businesses navigate the complexities of global commerce, TRACENT's rules serve as a beacon of efficiency and effectiveness, inviting stakeholders to embrace this innovative approach to dispute resolution. Why choose TRACENT? Let's recap its value and applications. Value: fast, 6 to 12 months. Confidential, flexible, internationally enforceable. Applications: domestic disputes, payments, and international exports. TRACENT elevates Vietnam's arbitration landscape, supporting business integration. Are you ready to go further? Hit subscribe now to catch the next video. Each one brings you closer to peak success.